Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and today's video is all about why do I need a financial advisor? See, I was asked this question last week and I thought, what a fantastic video topic to discuss. And so today's video, I'm going to go through 3 reasons why you need a financial advisor. Number 1 is financial advisors take emotion out when it comes to decision making. So as humans, we make decisions based on emotion. Unfortunately, when it comes to financial decisions, making these decisions based on emotion can cost us a lot of money. We tend to buy high, we tend to sell low, we listen to family, friends, headlines, all these factors come into play and we tend to make decisions based on emotions. When it comes to financial decisions, it will cost us a lot of money. And that's where financial advisors come in and provide values, because they help you make those decisions, but they take away the emotion out, which is so important. So that's the first reason. Advisors help make decisions without emotion. Number 2 is the second reason why you need to see a financial advisor is we provide tax-effective solutions and strategies. You see, we all love to minimize tax, and we all want to minimize tax. And a lot of people, unfortunately, they're not aware of strategies and options out there that will help them reduce their tax. And this is where a financial advisor can definitely help, is that we can provide you with strategies and advice and options to help minimize and reduce your tax. Because at the end of the day, we all love to pay less tax. And finally, the third reason why you need a financial advisor is financial advisors provide you that peace of mind factor. So, as a financial advisor, we will sit down with you and we will determine and look at what your financial goals and objectives are. And we provide you with a roadmap to help you achieve your financial goals. And you see, as a financial advisor, we will work with you continually to make sure that you are on track. So if your circumstances were to change, if something were to happen, we will provide you with the right strategies to help you get back on track. And providing you with that peace of mind factor and allowing you to sleep peacefully at night and not have to worry and not be stressed. Am I on the right track to achieve my goals? Am I doing things correctly? Your financial advisor will provide you with the right advice and provide you with that peace of mind, knowing that you have a professional that's on your team that's helping you achieve your financial goals. And that's really, really important, is to have your someone guiding you and helping you and to make the right decisions. So they're my 3 reasons why you need a financial advisor. Number 1, we help take the emotion out. Number 2 is that we provide some tax-effective strategies. And number 3 is that we provide you with the peace of mind factor that we all need when it comes to achieving our financial goals. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please share it. I would love to hear your comments below. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.